Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this tablet. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now select System, click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Over here you need to click on Text Correction, scroll down and click on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!